My dear students, very good morning. So last class we were discussing bubble sort technique. Today also I am giving some more information on bubble sort. Today I want to give more information on bubble sort. So so in the searching and sorting, so searching techniques already discussed in previous classes. Then the last class, last minutes, I started bubble sort algorithm. Simply define sorting. What is sorting? Then what are the types of sorting techniques available? What is sorting? To arrange elements either ascending or descending order. That is called sorting order. Clear? There are many techniques to arrange the elements in a particular order. Those are bubble sort, insertion sort, selection sort, quick sort, merge sort, iterative and recursive merge sort, shell sort, radix sort, heap sort, etc. These are all the sorting techniques. So these are all used to arrange the elements either ascending or descending order in a particular array. Clear? So first one, the first algorithm is bubble sort algorithm. So in the bubble sort algorithm, so simply here bubble sort means here bubble sort. Why it is called bubble sort? So in the bubble sort algorithm, it is a simple sorting algorithm. This sorting algorithm is comparison based on algorithm in which each pair of adjacent elements is compared and elements are swapped if they are not in order. This algorithm is not suitable for large data sets as its average worst case time complexity is order of n square. So example, sort the list of values here 50, 60, 70, 10, 30 using bubble sort technique. So this is the array of elements. These are the array of elements. For example, here 0 index, 1 index, 2 index, 3 index, 4 index. Here first compare here beside elements. Here nearest elements 50 and 70. Which is the nearest of 50? 70. From go to left to right. Okay, which is the nearest element? 70. Compare two elements. 50 is greater than 70? No. 50 is greater than 70. Compared 50 and 70 and no change. Clear. Next one is 70. Next go to the next incrementation of I value. Initial value 0, 0 plus 1, 1. So here I value is 1, j value is 2. Here 1 value 70 is greater than 60. Compare 70 and 60 and swap because 70 is greater than 60 and swap it here, then 60 and 70. These are the original places after swapping. Next one, compare third location, second location value and third location value. 70 is greater than 70, 10. 70 is greater than 10, yes, then swap it. This is the resultant array. After swapping the 10 and 70, this is an array. Then compare 70 and 30. 70 is greater than 30, yes, then swap it. After swapping, the resultant array is this one. So this is pass one. In the pass one, here pass one means the internal loop. The internal loop is executing so until the condition becomes false. The internal loop is executing until the condition becomes false. Clear? So the internal loop, how many times repeated? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times repeated. Here 0 to 4 times. Clear? At the end of this loop, internal loop, so the maximum value is at the last position. Clear? The maximum value is placed at the last position. Which is the maximum element in this array? 70. Clear? Next in pass 2, then outer loop is incremented, I value equal to 1, then go to second loop, internal loop, then in pass 2. Again compare 0 value and first value, that is 50 and 60. 50 is greater than 60? No. Then the next one is 60 is greater than 10? Yes, 10 is, these two are swapped. Here 50, 10, 60, 30, 70. Next 60 is greater than 30? Yes, 60 and 30 swapped. 30, 60, 70. So in this second loop, in this second pass, the second maximum element is placed at second position. Clear? Next one, pass 3. So 50 is greater than 10. Yes, swap it. After interchange, then 10, 50, 30, 60, 70. Again, compare the 50 is greater than 30. Yes, then swap it. These two are swap 30 and 50. Clear? So then the next one, all of you. The next one is, so in past three, the third max value placed at third position. Clear? From last to third place. Clear? And next one is go to pass 4. Here 10, 30, 50, 60, 70. So then 10 is greater than 30? No. 30 is greater than 50? No. 50 is greater than 60? No. 60 is greater than 70? No. Then there is no change. Yes or no? Then there is no change. So finally, the sorted list is 10, 30, 50, 60 and 70. This is the sorted list. All of you? Okay, clear. So bubble sort means bubbles. The first one, second one. These two are the bubbles. Besides side by side values, it can compare side by side values. Clear? So that's why these two are called bubbles. Here, first bubble, second bubble, third bubble, and fourth bubble, etc. Clear? Then this is called bubble sort algorithm. Okay, all of you, it can compare two elements. Okay, in the first pass, in the first loop, the control exits from the first loop. In the first pass, inner loop. A first loop means inner loop. So the maximum value placed at the end of the list. End of the list or array. Clear? In the second pass, the second value placed at last but one. Clear? So then this is the bubble sort algorithm. This is algorithm for bubble sort algorithm. This is bubble sort list of elements. Here free list not equal to fi అయినంత వరకు. Then post list is sorted in ascending order for all values. For j is equal to I equal to 0, I to list count minus 1. For j is also 0 to list count minus 1. If list of I less than list of j, then swap list of I equal to list of j. And if end for then return list and bubble sort. Okay, this is the bubble sort technique algorithm. So this is an example function for bubble sort technique in C programming language. Wide bubble sort integer array comma n means number of elements array. So ij temp, these three are the arguments in this loop. Initial value equal to 0, I less than n, for example, n value equal to 5. 0 less than 5, condition is true. Then j is equal to 0, 0 less than n minus I value equal to what? 0. 5 minus 0, 5. Then n minus 5. Clear? Here I minus 1, 0. Okay. Then here array of j greater than array of j plus 1, 0 element and first element. Clear? So both are array of j greater than array of j plus 1. So array of j, this is array of j 50 is greater than array of j plus 1. No. Then the control go to incrementation of I value. Array of j is j1 value. The greater than array of j plus 1 next position value. Both are condition is true. Swap it. Okay. Next, this is the program function. This is also an algorithm for bubble sort technique. Clear? This is the C program function. All of you. So then array of j greater than, if it is true, temp equal to array of j is equal to array of j plus 1, array of j plus 1 equal temp. Simple interchange. Clear? Interchange the elements. All of you interchange the elements. Clear? And next one is insertion sort. Before going to start the insertion sort, I want to show the animation of bubble sort. I want to show the animation of bubble sort. See all of you seriously. So this is the bubble sort technique. This is the bubble sort technique. First two elements. This is an array. So this is an array, all of you. So in the first iteration, this is an array. These are all the indexes. How many values are there? Total 5 values are there. Am I right? Total 5 values are there. First one 25, 17, 31, 13, 2. These are the unsorted elements. So while using bubble sort technique to arrange all these elements in an ascending order. Remember all of you. So while using bubble sort technique or algorithm, So here all these elements, all these elements, so arranged in an ascending order. Clear? So using this array, so this array is an unsorted elements. This array have unsorted elements 25, 17, 31, 13, 2. These are all the unsorted elements. Clear? So in the bubble sort technique, this is a sorting technique. This is used to arrange the elements either ascending or descending order. So this is the given example. This is an array. Array size equal to 5. A lower bound value equal to 0. Upper bound value equal to 5 minus 1, 4. Clear? These are 25, 17, 31, 13 and 2. These are the elements of in the array. Elements in the array. Clear? So then the next one, see all of you. So according to our given example, previous example, here 25 is greater than 17. So then if it is yes, your first value is 17, next value is 17. So 25. Next, it can compare 25 is greater than 31. No. Next, 31 is greater than 13. Yes, then swap it. So next one, 31 is greater than 2. Yes, swap it. This is internal loop. In first iteration, all of you see the animation. See all of you. Okay, all of you. Again, I repeat the same. So this is an array. All of you. Array. How many values are there? 5 values. These are all unsorted elements in the array. The array have unsorted elements. These are the indexes 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. Here comparing 0 value and 1 value. Here 25 is greater than 17. If it is yes, yes or no? Yes. If it is yes, swap it. 17 and 25 interchange. Yes or no? All of you. 25 is greater than 17. Then these two are interchanged. Here, first one is 17 and 25. After interchanged, this is an array. Clear? So next one, compare 25 and 31. In the first iteration, compare 25 and 31. 25 is greater than 31? No. Control go to next. Yes. Then 31 and 13. 31 is greater than 13? Yes. Exchanging. You have 2 location value and you have 3 location value. Again comparing A of 3 with A of 4th location value. Yes. Interchange or exchange. Next, in the second iteration, in the first iteration, which is the highest element, maximum element 31, that is placed at last position in the array. Then go to the second iteration. It's the same thing. Here also starting from 0 location and 1 location. Compare. So 17 is greater than 25? No interchange. Again 25, 13. Compare A of 1 with A of 2. Yes, condition is true. 25 is greater than 13. Yes, interchange, exchange. Then next one, 25 is greater than 2. A of two location value is greater than A of third location value, yes, interchange, exchange. Clear? So which is the second highest element? 25. In second iteration, the second highest element is found. Next one, in the third iteration, this is third iteration. So in the third iteration, so this is the third iteration. So compare two elements, then it can compare two elements. 1 minute, 1 minute. So in the third iteration, 17 is greater than 13, yes, interchange. 17 is greater than 2, yes, interchange. Next one, 17 is greater than 25, no. 17 is 25 is greater than 31, no. Then go to starting. Yes, 13 is greater than 2, yes, interchange. So this is the sorted array using bubble sort technique. All of you, 2, 13, 17, 25 and 31. Clear? All of you. So then again, I repeat the same. Observe clearly, bubble sort beside elements, adjacent elements. 25 is greater than 2, exchange. Thirteen, 17 are exchange. 2 and 17. So then the fourth iteration, 13 and 2 compared, 13 is greater than 2, yes, exchange. Then this is the sorted array. Clear all of you? That is the sorted array. All of you. Clear? So then this is the bubble sort technique. Okay. So next one is selection sort technique. Next one is insertion sort algorithm. So what is an insertion sort algorithm? So this is also, insertion sort is also used to sort n elements in ascending or descending order. Insertion sort algorithm arranges a list of elements in a particular order. In insertion sort algorithm, every iteration moves an element from unsorted portion to sorted portion until all the elements are sorted in the list. Insertion sort algorithm arranges a list of elements in a particular order. In insertion sort algorithm, every iteration moves an element from unsorted portion to sorted portion until all the elements are sorted in the list. Clear? Here step-by-step process. This is an algorithm for insertion sort. So here step 1, assume that first element in the list is in sorted portion and all the remaining elements are in unsorted portion. Take the first element from the unsorted portion and insert that element into the sorted portion in the order specified. In the step 3, repeat the above process until all the elements from the unsorted portion are moved into the sorted portion. Following is the sample code for insertion sort. This is the code. So then example, So consider the following unsorted list of elements. Consider the following unsorted list of elements. Here 15, 20, 10, 30, 50, 18, 5, 45. These are all the unsorted elements. Duplicate values are also not allowed. No duplicate values. It will allowed. Duplicate values also allowed. But then there is no duplicate value. Double values, same values. Clear? 15, 20, 10, 30, 50, 18, 5, 45. These are all the elements. Assume that sorted portion of the list empty and all elements in the list are in unsorted portion of the list as shown in the following figure. So this is 50. Here sorted order. This is unsorted order. Clear? So 15, 20, 10, 30, 50, 18, 5, 45. These are all the unsorted elements. Move the first element 15 from unsorted portion. This is unsorted portion. Okay. To sorted portion of the list. This is unsorted portion. 15 is moved from unsorted portion to sorted portion. Clear? 15 where it is now here unsorted portion. So then the next one, to move element 20 from unsorted to sorted portion. Move 20 from unsorted to sorted portion. Compare 20 with 15 and insert into correct position. Compare 15 and 20 with 15. Here 15 is greater than 20. No changes. Next one. So 10 is the move element, to move element 10 from unsorted to sorted portion. So here 10 is moved from unsorted to sorted portion. So compare 10 with 20 and it is smaller, so swap. Compare 10 with 20. Here 10 with 20. Yes. So simply move smaller position, that is first position, sorted position of the list. Clear? To move element 30 from unsorted to sorted portion, compare 30 with 20, 15 and 10, and it is larger than all these. So 30 is directly inserted at last position in sorted portion of the list. Clear? So then simply, which is the highest element, that is for inserted at last portion of the. So why it is inserted? The name implies, the sorting name implies insertion sort. Clear? Then the next one, 50 is moved from unsorted to sorted. Then compare. So 30 is greater than 50? No. Clear? No changes. Then 8 is moved from unsorted to sorted list. Then the next one is, this is 18. So it can compare 50 greater than 80, then swap it. 30 is greater than 80, swap it. 20 is greater than 80, then swap it. 15 is greater than 18, no. Then 10 is greater than 18, no. Then fixed size equal to this one. Clear? 18 seated there. Yes, here started there. Clear? So that is arranged in this particular position, second position. Next one is to move element from 5. The move element 5 from unsorted array to sorted array. Then it can compare 5 greater than 50? No. Yes or no? 5 greater than 30? No. 5 greater than 20? No. 5 greater than 18? No. 5 greater than 15? No. 5 greater than 10? Yes, that is placed in the first position unsorted array. To move 45 from unsorted array to sorted array. Compare 45 is greater than 50 is greater than 45. Yes, 45 and 50. And next one is 30 is greater than 45. No. 20 is greater than 45. No. Then this is the sorted array. 5, 10, 15, 18, 20, 30, 45, 50. So this is the sorted array. Clear? Here unsorted position of the list has become empty. So we stop the process and the final sorted list of elements is as follows. These are the final sorted elements. This is a selection sort algorithm, insertion sort algorithm. This is an insertion sort algorithm. Yes, all of you. This is an insertion sort algorithm. So simple insert. So condition becomes true, insert and move next place. Clear? So this is insertion sort algorithm. So in the insertion sort algorithm, so finally we will get sorted elements. Clear? Finally we will get sorted elements. All of you. Finally, we will get to sorted elements. So this is the animation for insertion sort. See, all of you. Insertion sort. So those are the list of elements, unsorted elements. We want to arrange those elements. Yes. 5 and 8. Yes, 5. Inserted. Next 2. First 2 and 8. Next 7 and next 5 and 2. 2 is inserted at starting place. Next 4 and 8. No. Yes. 4 and 5. Yes. Then next 2 is 4 is placed at position. Next yes. Yes. Next one 3 and 8. Compare 3 and 8. Yes, inserted. Yes, inserted. Clear? This is the selection sort algorithm reanimation. I repeat the same. See, all of you. Finally, 3. Six, yes, 5, 3, yes, 4, 3, yes, interchangeable. Exchange. So this is the final sorted array. Clear? Final sorted array. All of you. So tomorrow we will discuss. Next sorted algorithm, that is selection sort algorithm. Selection sort algorithm. Tomorrow we will discuss. Today's session is ended. Clear, all of you? Okay, Amma. Bye.